So I'm in KB Homes' second model, the 1810 plan. This is a 3-story townhouse that has 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, plus the 2-car garage. Pretty beautifully done, super spacious. Let's start on the first floor of the townhouse. Really love the staging here. Helps create a little bit of imagination for what it can be. This could be an office for someone that works from home, or what I can picture is this is a multi-generational household, and maybe your parents have their own separate space downstairs, or you have an independent older teen or child that wants their own space, full bathroom, bedroom, and then you can set up your own desk to have your own privacy. And when you're ready to interact with the family, then you can go right on upstairs. On to the second floor. Beautiful flooring all throughout on this level. I really like this. Quick peek at the half bath. This is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath. So we've already seen one full bathroom, and here's your half bath for guests. That's a guest closet, and then get your first look at the living room and kitchen combo. Don't fall. So let's go back here, and this has just a huge floor plan and layout. I have clients with a similar townhouse setup in Mission Viejo, and there's just so much space for the kids to run around, to entertain guests, to cook dinner, watch TV. See the balcony there. I love the accent wall. You can just really see how large the space is. There's a lot you can do with this. I really like that. This is very common in a lot of the modern designs that builders are using. And then over in the far corner, we have a walk-in pantry. You can see a lot of storage throughout this area as well, which is really nice. Here's your walk-in pantry, stainless steel refrigerator, and then the stairs to go up to the 3rd level. Side note, I never liked stairs. I'm pretty sure I tripped almost climbing up to this 3rd level. Here's some carpet. Some of y'all may not love that. It's hit or miss for me. In this door, we have stackable washer and dryer, so that's solid. And then we have 2 bedrooms that each have their own bathroom. I initially thought this was kind of like a dual master bedroom bathroom kind of combination, but this one's a little bit smaller, has single vanity in the sink, so this one is a little less cool, but I love the design of the tile on the floor, so that's really nice. That helps it stand out. But very simple design in here, subway tile on the shower, very solid. And then I like the theme of above the bed of the racer. Now here's your true primary bedroom and bathroom combination. Really nice colors and accents. Closet, that's a solid size. Not a fancy luxury closet, but really solid. Scanning around a little bit, and then you go into that primary bathroom. Has the dual vanities, walk-in shower. It's really nice. And then of course your toilet here. This is solid. So I've been informed by KB Homes that this particular model 1810 is very popular, so they're selling out of this pretty quickly. This will probably be available again in their next phase. This is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath, about roughly 1,800 square feet. If you want to get in and see what's available, you can contact me through TikTok and we can schedule a consultation. Would love to figure out more about your needs and get you in to see one of these properties or something else. And thanks for watching.